you're doing all the right things. You're out there networking and collecting business cards, advertising in the paper, posting online, even friends and family are referring you. And you probably even keep track for a few days using paper and pen, post-it notes, business cards. And you might actually give that prospect a call once. But things like follow-up calls and emails keep slipping through the cracks. Do you sometimes feel like you have to go 50 places to manage your contacts and your landing pages and your emails and your newsletter and your calendar and your to-do list, much less that project you're working on? Heaven forbid if you use another computer and can't remember all your passwords. We get it. We're small business owners just like you. We are great face-to-face, having that initial conversation, chatting up prospects and collecting business cards and phone numbers. But the follow-up, not so much. Because of this, we decided to go on a quest to find the best solution. And here's what we came up with. We call it Strategic Success Tools. In this tool, we've put everything in one place. You can set up landing pages to capture prospects. Then create an action plan that automatically notifies you when you have a lead. And it will send emails to follow up automatically. And it creates to-dos for you and your team, all based on what they asked for. Some people might call this a marketing funnel. We even have a few sample funnels set up for you to customize. Having said that, the key to any business is the people. So let's take a quick look at the contact management section of our tool. Whether you get your contacts through a web page or you upload your list and enter them manually, the more you know about them, the easier it will be to customize a connection with them. This system includes normal contact stuff like a name and address, email and phone numbers, as well as birthdays. There are even 20 customizable fields that can be used as mail merge fields, so that you can easily customize an email template and send it to dozens or thousands of people and make it feel like you're speaking just to them. Within the contact record, you can track to-dos, appointments, files, and even the project you're working on for them. From this page, you can send an email just to them, or you can even print a letter or envelope and add them to another action set. Now, with the mindset that riches are in the niches, one of your best features of this program is how easily we can segment your list. By using sources and categories and flags, you can group people together who have something in common. It could be people looking to purchase a home, who are interested in a particular workshop or event, or who have a need for a product or a service, or even past clients who are a great source of referral and repeat business. You can use this tool to send newsletters, birthday discounts, reminders for an appointment or a checkup. Really, your imagination is the limit. Now that you have the rundown on the contact portion of the program, let me tell you what else it can do for you. There are a variety of built-in web page templates, aka landing pages. These are designed to capture leads, which can be fully customized to your need and branding. You can use these independently or within your existing website so that you can connect with the people who need your help. As you can see, there are a variety of options from free reports to virtual tours to countdown timers and even a video sales template a la Jeff Walker's formula. These are proven tools for capturing information. And truly, it's as easy as clicking and changing the words and images without having to know how to code or even how to design. Let's go just a little bit deeper into the real power of the system, which comes from the back end, the automation. We won't go into exactly how the magic happens, but you can set up emails that can be used in an automatic follow-up sequence so that you can avoid those contacts falling through the cracks after having a great initial meeting. You can set up a to-do list based on what someone asked for or based on the common business practices you use. You can set up an action set, which includes flagging and sending emails or texts or setting up to-dos based on what somebody else needs. For the more advanced user, you can set up deals, which is essentially a project management tool great for keeping track of an in-process project that has many moving parts. This could be a real estate transaction, property management, building a house, doing contract renovations, or even implementing a marketing plan. The setup can take a few minutes to think through. But the actual doing is a snap, and you don't have to hire a programmer to make it work. We have support staff on standby ready to help you. Not only that, but we have a series of videos that actually show you step by step how to do things. Now, don't you think for a second that we've forgotten you're a busy business owner on the go, so this entire program is mobile friendly. Take it with you on your smartphone or tablet. We believe this program is just what the small business owner needs. We also believe that once you try it, you'll be hooked, because with everything in one place, you'll have more time to spend on what you do best. This is so important to us that we're willing to let you test it out for a full 30 days on us. What are you waiting for? Just click the button below and give us a little information about your business and how you do things, and we'll get on the phone with you and help you get started. Don't let that overwhelm of marketing technology hold you back from the success you've earned.